In this video, I will demonstrate the field tools on the OpenRoads Designer. One is to set the element elevations, and other one is to label the terrain contours and labels the terrain spots. First, we will have to open or new a 3D DGN, and then I'm going to use the general drawing tools to draw some lines. So let me rotate into front view. As you can see that now all the lines are on the same elevations, and then I will rotate back to the top view. Now I will use the tool is called set element elevation to assign different elevation for those lines. We will have to switch to the survey workflow and then go to edit tab. In the manipulate sessions, expand like the drop down list over here. We have set elements annotations. In the tool setting box, we can input the elevation that we want to set. Let's start from hundreds, and then I'm going to check this box so that next elevation would increase by an increment of 2. So I'm setting my first the hundreds elevations here, and then my next elevation is 102. My next elevation is 104, and then 106 here. And then we can rotate to the front view again, and then zoom in. As you can see that I have 4 different elevations. Line has been set. Then I'm going to rotate back to the top view. And the next tools that I'm going to demonstrate is to label the terrain's contour. So first, I will select all those contour lines that I just drew, and then I have to use those contour lines to create a terrain. So go to the terrain tab, create sessions, create from elements. In the feature tab, I'm going to select contour because all those elements are contour lines, and then select your edge method. Select the feature definition. I'm going to use existing contour maybe. Okay, and then data point to accept the feature type, accepts the edge methods, accepts the maximum site length. So we have created a terrain, and then I want to adjust the terrain interval first. Then select my terrain, go to property windows, expand the drop down list here, calculate the features, select contour, adjust the major intervals to be 2, and then I'm going to undisplace the minus contour lines. So double click here. So I only have the major contour line left and then my terrain boundary. So now I can use the tools to label the Turing contour. Just go to the Turing tab again, labeling sessions. Select the tools label Turing contours. In the annotation map mode, I'm going to select major contour only. And then over here, for the dimension style, you can select uh, the one you customize. For the contour line, I'm going to use label 3D contour that I set up previously. And then now I have to identify my Turing model. So select my Turing and then select where I want to paste the contour. So maybe from here to the directions of here. Reset to complete, or like over here, select the Turing. Yeah. So here is the tools that we can label the Turing contour. And then I'm going to show you another tools to label the Turing spot. Again, which it is in the Turing tab, labeling session, label Turing spot. This time I'm going to select another dimension style. I'm going to select the ones is I set up is called 3D spots elevation. And then again, I have to identify my Turing model. So select my Turing model and then select the point that I want to annotate. Yeah. So here are the three tools that I want to demonstrate in this video.